My name is Jade Pelche. I am from Chiging First Nation. My position here at Kenjgewin Teg is the Trades, Apprenticeship and Skills Program Coordinator. Kenjgewin Teg's Anishinabek Skills Innovation and Research Center is located just behind our main campus off of Highway 551 here in Chiging, Ontario. Most people don't know that our ASIRC building is back here because we are tucked away, but it's actually located in a pretty significant area, as to the north we do actually have our traditional powwow grounds for Chiging, and we are surrounded by the bluffs. It's kind of a nice hidden gem behind our main campus.
My name is Aaron Seltzer. I'm from Nairn Centre, Ontario, and I'm in the Renovation Techniques construction carpentry. When I first walked into the trades building, I was very taken back. Outside it looks so small, but when you come inside, the shops are like very big and they're full of tools. I get through like the bookwork as fast as possible just so we can work on the projects.
So my name is Sean Corbier and I'm a member of Chiging First Nation, and I'm an instructor for the Finishes program. So I started off in construction, so got into a carpentry apprenticeship with the Carpenters Union. So the basis of this program running right now is giving the students the key concept of what materials are and what the tools are that they'll be using, and they're understanding how to safely operate these tools and how to utilize the materials in their best form to create a nice product.
My name is Mike Skippin. I live just outside Little Current. I teach carpentry, framing. I taught foundation systems and trade layout. I went to Cambrian when I was 20. I've been working as a carpenter ever since. Because I've worked in the trades, I know what a lot of people coming into the trades are lacking. We cover the building code, cover the things that they have to do. The later part of the semester, we're almost all the time in the shop.
My name is Adam Williamson. I'm 21 years old. I'm from Little Current on Manitoulin Island, and I attended the Canadian Welding Bureau certification course. I wasn't receiving the supports that I needed, and I had heard of other students that were attending Kenjgewin Teg. I was a little nervous starting at this school, but once I saw the hospitality here, it made me feel very welcomed and very safe. It was a very safe environment to be in. When I first walked into the trades building, I was just blown away. Seeing all the equipment that was available, like just being able to learn about everything and how everything functions and whatnot, it definitely put me far ahead. One of the things here that I really was able to benefit from was the small class sizes. See, I'm more of a one-on-one. I got to watch somebody do it to be able to learn it and retain it well. When I was taking the CWB program, my instructor, Dave Barnes, was able to come in and spend a fair bit of time with me in my booth and show me what I was doing wrong and how to correct my mistakes, so it was definitely really great.
My name's Dave Barnes. I'm the welding instructor here, and I'm from Little Current, Ontario. I've spent a few years working in fab shops, got into the Boilermakers Union. I did that for 18 years. There's two programs we do actually. So there's the Pathway to Trades and then the CWB certification. So because of our smaller numbers, there's more one-on-one. When I went to school, I was literally a number. My shop teacher knew me by booth number 2. I get to learn how the students are and their personalities and stuff, and we can do the best we can to help them.
One of our main goals here at Kenjgewin Teg is to have the best experience possible for our students. With the smaller class spaces, the one-on-one help from instructors, the cultural aspect, it creates somewhat of a family, and it just makes it a comfortable learning space for everybody.
The cultural component I enjoyed most was the Odds Win program. I feel like I've learned a lot about the Anishinabek culture. Our family's just trying to get back into like all that culture, so it was nice being able to come here and get to do that during the week.
In 5 years, I plan on hopefully riding my Red Seal to become a Red Seal journeyman with the Boilermakers Lodge 128. I feel like Kenjgewin Teg should be more known about. I wish there would be more young people coming to the school to see all the great things that the school has to offer, because I wouldn't be where I am today without Kenjgewin Teg.